In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a LinkedIn post link. This is a very simple task, but it's also really useful if you want to share a post with someone, save it for later, or include it in a message, document, or email. Once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to the post you want to share. Make sure you're looking at the exact post because the link you copy will lead directly to that specific content. This can be helpful if you're trying to send someone a particular update, article, or announcement without asking them to search for it manually. When you're on the post, look toward the top right corner of that post. You'll see a three-dot icon. This is the options menu for that post, and it contains a few different actions you can take. Go ahead and click on the three dots. A small menu will appear with several options. In that menu, find the option that says Copy Link to Post and click on it. As soon as you do that, LinkedIn will copy the direct link to your clipboard. That means the post link is now ready to paste wherever you need it. You can paste it into a chat, a note, a browser tab, or anywhere else you want to use it. If you're on a computer, you can usually paste with Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. On a phone or tablet, you can tap and hold in a text field and then select Paste. And that's it. You've successfully copied the link to a LinkedIn post. If the option doesn't seem obvious at first, just make sure you're clicking the three-dot menu attached to the post itself, not another menu somewhere else on the page. That's the key detail that usually makes the difference. So again, all you need to do is open the post, click the three dots in the top right corner, and choose Copy Link to Post. It's quick, straightforward, and useful whenever you want to share LinkedIn content accurately. That's all for this video.